Today we are making a tapa. What is a tapa? Basically, it refers to appetizers or snacks in Spanish cuisine that may be served hot or cold.
Tapas tradition may have begun when King Alfonso X of Castile recovered from an illness by drinking wine with small dishes between meals. After regaining his health, the king ordered that taverns would not be allowed to serve wine to customers unless it was accompanied by a small snack, or tapa.
The ingredients we'll be using today include Manchego cheese, salt, black pepper, extra virgin olive oil, small shallot, 2 cloves of fresh garlic, cumin seeds, approximately a quarter cup, 1 fresh lemon, 1 large red bell pepper, and a loaf of bread. We're using Cuban bread in this recipe, so let's get started. I'll be cooking with my mother today, so this is her famous recipe. Heat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once warmed, place the red bell pepper in a shallow pan to roast, no oil needed. Roasting time may vary depending on your oven, but we roasted ours for about 15 minutes, give or take. You'll know when it's done because the skin will begin to sweat and blister and pull away from the pepper. While the pepper is roasting, add the dry cumin seeds to a non-greased pan to warm on low to medium heat. You'll smell the fragrant cumin seed once they're ready. Then remove the warmed cumin seeds and set them aside to cool. For the sauce, remove the outer skin from the shallot to slice it finely, as this will go in the sauce. Do the same with the garlic cloves. Add both the chopped shallot and garlic to a small sauce bowl. Add a pinch of salt and pepper, depending on your preferred level of spicy, to the mixture. Zest the lemon first. Then add fresh lemon juice to the mixture. Optional, add approximately a quarter cup of sherry. If you don't have sherry, you can substitute with apple cider vinegar. Double the amount of extra virgin olive oil to the sauce compared to the sherry or apple cider vinegar that was added. Then add the cooled cumin seeds and whisk all the ingredients together to mix. It will have a cloudy, creamy appearance once it's mixed. Place the mixed sauce in the refrigerator for approximately 15 minutes. This helps with melding the flavors together. The last step to assembling your platter. Remove the outer wax casing from the Manchego cheese to slice it. A cheese slicer is optional if you have one on hand. Otherwise, use a sharp knife to slice thin, uniform pieces. Then place aside. Remove the roasted bell pepper from the oven and allow it to cool. You can peel a tiny slit on both sides to help the heat escape the pepper. Remove the pepper stem seeds and any stringy parts, then slice it into thin strips. We drizzled olive oil on our bread, then toasted it to make it crunchy and warm. You may serve your bread any temperature you like. Thinly slice your bread of choice and add the slices to a serving platter. Or you can use crackers as a substitute. Top the Manchego cheese slices to the bread or crackers. Add the roasted bell pepper slices. Then drizzle each slice with the sauce mixture. Top with olive. Then serve with your favorite wine or cocktail.
Buen appetito. No, es Italian. Sabroso. What I like about it, it is so fragrant and light, not heavy. And it's interesting flavors. Very Spanish. Gotta top it off with the Spanish wine.
Thank you, Mama.
Oh, you're welcome.
Enjoy, and always kiss the cook.
Is it good?
It's delicious.
Okay, let me see. I'll tell you. It's crunchy.